Young King Sebastian I ascended Portugal's throne at age 14. He was fearless, religious, and a warrior. In 1578, at 24, he raised an army to invade Morocco, aiming to revive the Crusades. The Battle of Alcácer Quibir saw the Portuguese defeated, with thousands killed, including King Sebastian. With no body found, speculation arose. Did the king die, or did he survive secretly? Rumors spread in Portugal of his survival and eventual return, dubbed the Hidden King. A political movement, Sebastianism, emerged in Portugal, christening strangers as the Lost King. Even four impostors claimed to be King Sebastian, fueling the enduring mystery. Some historians speculate he survived, living in Spain or in a monastery, hidden from the world. The disappearance of Sebastian remains a monumental event in Portugal's history. His absence turned into a cultural movement and belief across the nation, linking emotions and hope. Sebastianism exemplifies how emotional bonds with leaders can transform into enduring mythology. Sebastian's legacy teaches a lesson about leadership's impact, surviving beyond death or disappearance. The mystery continues to intrigue historians and citizens alike, embodying adventure and longing. It questions the power of belief and its role in shaping political ideologies. The story of the Hidden King reflects the human tendency to find hope amidst loss. It remains a testament to Portugal's historical narrative, influencing culture and identity even today.